Um, just wanted to say, today at lunchtime I took a minute to actually run the 500i against the 395 clone Holzforma, so to speak. It's not apples to apples. The 395 has 24-inch Oregon bar of a X83 full house chain, and yeah, I've hit the drags 2 or 3 times, and the Stihl has Stihl full chisel skip tooth chain and just a 20-inch bar. That chain's fairly new. It's been filed a couple of times, so like I said, it's not apples to apples. But and the reason I'm making this little video here is I'm not the greatest editor yet, and I don't know how to actually do the timing on the video. I'm still using video or Microsoft's built-in video editor. I downloaded Video Editor 10, but every time I try to figure it out, I get frustrated and quit messing with it. So I need to buy a good editor. If anybody has any recommendations, I'd like to hear them. But looking at the timer on my sport camera, the best I can tell, I made a couple of cuts with each saw. The Holzforma actually averaged slabbing that piece of wood, about a 23-ish inch piece of wood, actually averaged slabbing it about 3 seconds faster. And like I said, still not apples to apples because I had to walk the Stihl because of the bar length. But I dogged them both in. I had to walk the Stihl, but still, those of you that don't know, 20-inch bar power-wise is a great advantage over a 24. So that's one of the reasons I like a 20. So the Stihl had an advantage in a way, but the little blue Chinaman whipped it pretty much, and that's that. But I'll get on with the video now.